Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a exotic face glow cleanser or mask using some leftover residues of my previous video. If you have seen my previous video where I made this Saunf face mist, I had the leftover Saunf. Along with that, I'm going to use this coconut powder. This also the residue of the coconut milk which I made earlier for hair pack. So these two ingredients I'm going to use. You can use fresh ingredients also and make this Upton. So please continue watching if you want. Since I am using wet ingredients, which are the leftover ingredients of my previous videos, I have to roast them or dry them before I can use this in the cleanser. If you are using fresh ingredients, you don't have to do this. You can skip it, but if you want to roast it, you can also do that because it can increase the shelf life of the end product and also it will give nice aroma. Here I have heated a pan where I have added the Saunf and I am going to roast it lightly until it becomes dry and crisp so that I can grind it. Into the same pan I am going to add the coconut powder also and roast it lightly. The purpose of these two ingredients in the cleanser would be to mildly exfoliate the dead skin cells and the dry skin, and it will give that soft feeling to the skin when you use this product on your face. So this is completely dry and this is ready to be ground. Before grinding this, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oats. Oats is a very good cleanser for your face for any skin type. It contains sapopins which acts as a mild cleanser because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It will soak up all the excess oil on your skin and help to treat acne. After adding oats, all these ingredients should be made into fine powder. For that, I have taken a mixer jar, dry mixer jar, and have ground it into fine powder. Again, this powder should be separated, where you can separate the even more finer powder and the coarse powder. The coarse powder can be used as a bath powder. I'll be making a video on that too. You can check it out. And this fine powder which you have just separated would become the facial cleanser, and it could act as a mask also. So the cleanser is ready as it is. You can use it directly on your face now, but to make it more luxurious and more interesting, you can add a few other ingredients. So here I've got 2 tablespoons of the fine powder, to which I am adding 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder, which is a natural source of AHAs that can reduce pigmentation on your skin. The next is a neem powder, 1 teaspoon, which contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that can reduce pimples and acne and also mild irritations on your skin. The next would be 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This also can brighten your skin, even out your skin tone, and reduce any pimples if you have. The next is multani mitti. If you don't have this, you can also add gram flour or chickpea flour that would absorb impurities like accumulated sebum or sweat on your face. So this would also help to bind all these ingredients together so that it is easy to apply on your face. Once you have added these ingredients, you need to mix them very well, and you can store this in the refrigerator for more than 2 months. These are the ingredients which I had, that is why I have added. If you have any alternatives, like for example rose powder instead of hibiscus powder, you can add that too. So this cleanser is ready. This is made of those ingredients which would otherwise go waste. You don't have to waste any of such beautiful ingredients. You can just dry it and make good cleansers which would help your skin instead of buying from the market, which would be very expensive. You can make it at your home and see how it works for you. So to use it, you just take 1 teaspoon of the powder. You can add rose water or even plain water, yogurt or anything which would mix this up and which can suit your skin. After mixing this thoroughly, apply a thin layer on your face. You can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with plain water. Otherwise, you can take a little bit on your fingers, apply on your face directly, rub it in a circular motion so that you can get rid of dry skin and also impurities, and you can wash off directly so that it can reveal a very smooth and a soft skin and even a brighter skin. So try this face cleanser and see how it works for you. It can be used as a mask or a face wash, and this is very easy to make. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel and share this video if you like it. And thanks for watching.